AJ, how come my memory seat doesn't work on my brand new Crown Signia? Can you show me how?
Sure, Angel, no problem. I'll show you how you can fix this little problem. Alright, Angel, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to save your seat setting at your desired levels, right? Before we go ahead and discuss about how to set your memory seat, one important thing to point out. Your vehicle needs to be equipped with this memory seat function. Only then you will be able to use this facility. All we have to do is use these controls here. I'm going to shift it a little forward, move this for the backrest, and now let's go to the driver's side door, and you have these controls here. Set, I call these ones L1, L2. So L1, L2, which means two people can actually save their seat settings. So every time they get in, they don't have to readjust. Just press the button, seat will come to its desired setting. So all we have to do is press set L1 together, and you'll hear a beep which indicates that your seat settings have been saved. So that's what the memory seat function is all about.
Thank you so much for your help.